What's up? I'm here on a boat, one of our brand new Club Fleet boats, and there is one major problem with it. The big problem is right here. When the seat is adjusted all the way back and the captain or the passenger, because it's the same thing over there, rotates, it'll rub against this bar, and what'll happen is that this upholstery right here will rip and expose all the internals, just the open elements, and that's what it shouldn't be. I'll try and include a picture in the video, pop up like right about now. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes, put some bolts in it, so that it'll prevent people from going too far back, and when they rotate they won't hit this. So let me show you it rubbing. Push it in, boom, rubbing, and as you rotate it'll just rip it open. And so let me walk you through the process of how to get this done. Okay, so first we're gonna adjust it to where it's not rubbing. So right there it's rubbing. Right here should be good. You know, here's going to be our thorough test. And yeah, doesn't rub right there, so that'll be perfect. To get access to where we're going to be drilling and screwing it in, we got to first take all this out right here. On this boat, this back piece can come off right here, which will give it more room to this bottom one right here. And there she is. And so we're going to go from the bottom, drilling up, and then wherever that drill hole is, we're going to put the bolt with the Phillips head down in it, and then we're going to put a nut on bottom. So right here, I believe the one that we want to drill into is going to be the back ones right here. Okay, I was incorrect. What you will want to, where we will want to drill is up on here, because when it slides, the seat slides back, this thing is sliding towards this way. So we'll clean the grease off that's right here, mark out our drill holes, and then drill up with a big enough of a drill bit, and then put it in. Alrighty, and after getting those two holes drilled there from the bottom up, I got 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. The bolts going in first like this, right here, and the washers and nuts going on next underneath. And that's it. They're done. And so now, when the seat slides back like that, it'll hit it. And then, if we come up here, the seat will not hit over here. No matter how much I push on it, not touching it. And so, that should hold whoever sits on it, and there's still enough room right there to the helm. If I come and sit, oh shoot, I just sat right there. I still got enough room right here before it hits. Obviously I'm not sitting on the cushion right now, so I'm a little lower, but even a little higher, get my butt off of it, still really far away. And so that's fixing a major problem on this boat right here, which is the seat. Alrighty, till next time.